Can your customers actually see the product details they need? In under 3 minutes, you'll add Woocommerce's additional information widget and showcase every spec. We'll start by opening the home page in Elementor, then navigate through the highlight and Woocommerce options, and finally select the additional information widget. Open Home in Elementor. Now, click on the highlighted element on the page to select it. Then, click on the next highlighted area to keep moving. Now, click on the Woocommerce option. And then, click on Additional Information to select it.
Click this.
Click Upgrade Now. Click Upgrade Now again. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.